Welcome back, people. Here we are again, beautiful Tennyson Inlet. Another crack at Pippi Beach, freshly loaded. Some brand new J-braid. Squid and pillies again. Let's send her out and see what happens. Okay guys, I've changed locations, back at the Duncan Bay. Gonna try and get a livey and then either do a slide bait rig or a balloon and see if there's any kingies kicking around the bay. Okay, we're all rigged up. Sabiki with a tosser on the end. Let's see if we can get ourselves a livey. doesn't appear to be any bait fish around here at the moment, so plan B. What I'm going to use today is a running rig, so if we get run into that foul, it'll come out a bit easier. The fish will be at the bottom, below the sinker. And we'll just drag it out by the face. So yeah, let's do that. Yeah. Just a single hook, a 3-ounce ball sinker, and some 80-pound fluorocarbon leader attached to a sport swivel just in case we get a ray. Alright guys, that's loaded up ready. Actually I found a 4-ounce, which will be better. 4-ounce ball sinker and just a 6-bar row hook. And load it up with some squid. Send her out there and let's pull something in this time. And we're instantly getting bites. I don't think I'm going to need the stand. I'm going to use it anyway. Let's just cut the drag off. Hopefully we can get something pinned. We'll pick it at the moment. Let's get that done. Something big and bloody push them off that. say we've been stripped. Yep. Let's try a big lump of greasy pilchard. See if that can entice the big one. I can actually see the reef of shit that I was getting snagged on yesterday, now that it's sunny, seems right today. But that's what we like, fish-like structure to hang around it. So. Well, it don't seem to be as interested in the pilchard as they are the squid. Here we go. Something's found it. Could have been just hidden in that. I might have to downsize my hook and go to smaller boats. We might get a, table snapper if we're lucky. Downgrade to the 4 barrows. See how this bait goes. I've just noticed, guys, while I've been busting off right at the rod, I just thought I'd check my eyelets. And this here, we've got a bit of damage on this edge. There's a rough, sharp edge there. So that is why I was snapping off. So I don't even know what I do with that. I don't know if you can see that very well on the video, but it should be nice and rounded like up the top here, but this bottom part's busted out, so I need to replace that eyelet. Damn it. Bugger. Okay, so there's the reason for me, here's me thinking it was the line, but no, it was actually my bloody eyelet. Bit of an inquiry. That's going to make it tough to land. I'm going to have to hit something. Touch and go. Actually, yeah, I don't know what I do about that. Might have to switch rods. Use my little kingy rod. Yeah, because I don't want to go stuffing this. $100 for this line, I do. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm not going to get the casting distance, but I'd rather keep my line intact. So that's sort of point. Problem with braid, a little sharp edge like that, that's all it takes. So unfortunately that's the end of my surf caster for this trip until I can get it repaired. Damn it. I'm glad I noticed before I caught a fish on it, before I got any tension on it. Okay guys, we're back in business. Had to, obviously this rod does not have the casting weight. It's made for lures, but so I've downsized my trace length. Obviously it's a short rod. We've now just got a 2.5 ounce sinker, and I've also downsized the hook to a 4-bar. So let's send that out and see if we can pull a fish in, eh? Action. Get the keys out of my pocket because shit happens. Yep, so there you go guys, that's hopefully that's a learning curve for everyone. Always check your eyelets That was the reason for the brakes, always down the middle of the rod. Oh, fuck you, massive overrun. Oh no. Just not my trip. This trip. I thought I had hold of that line when I struck, but no. Got it out. That's the main thing. I think I'm just going to hold my rod. Since it's such a shorty. And I think we've got something on here. Unless it's the tide. Oh, it is outgoing. Yeah, no, that was just the tide pulling it out. It is an outgoing tide now. We missed the main tide. The other spot I got inundated with kayaks and paddle boarders. So there was no room left to fish on the beach. Once the tide came in, I ran out of casting room where I was initially set up, which is why I moved back here. And now we're just looking for other options to make it work, really. But I come away to fish, so I might as well get a line wet. Make the most of it. But yeah, it has not been the best of luck for me this trip at all. We've had a lot of decent rays though, they're always fun. So, had a couple little baby snappers. And that weird banded thing, if you watched the previous videos, whatever that was. I even had a gurnard following my sabiki yesterday, which was something different. I have actually caught them on a ticer before, like gurnard, in the surf at Titirangi. So they are pretty predatory. Alright, I'd say they've got me bait already. And I need to lube up. That sun is cooking me. Oh, they're in that crap, but we should be able to pull it out. Well, we didn't pull it out, but still got a full full of line, so it's not as bad as yesterday. We're back in business. My last little bull sinker, so let's hope we don't lose this set. Trying to avoid that foul. For some reason that first cast locked up on my reel, so that is why. What's that bit of line? The wind switched around and fucked. my line off over there for some reason. What is that? Big westerly. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that wind is terrible. I don't know if you can even hear me in that crap. So I'm going to pull the pin here before I lose some more gear. So anyway guys, on that note, yeah, we'll call that a day. A struggle of a day. Again, if I didn't have bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck, so, you know, that shit happens. Yeah, I'm going to head back to camp, have a couple of cold beverages and relax, and yeah, I'm not going to fish in this nasty, terrible wind. And it's the back of the tide now, we've missed the tide, but I'll save this last sinker I've got. I didn't sort of hit so much rough ground straight out, so we can persevere with that. Once I lose that sinker though, that I'm going to be, I'll have to use stick bait, and that'll be me. Stick bait, Tices, so we can get Kawai and maybe even Gurnard tape Tices and stuff. So I've also got soft baits, soft swim baits that I can cast. But yeah, that'll do us for today, and cheers for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Yoo.